Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we need to convert the molarity to how many moles of sucrose there is. So what we do is we get 0.15 molarity equal to the moles of the solute, which is what we're trying to find, all over the liters of solution, which is 125 milliliters. But don't forget, convert that 125 milliliters to liters, and you get 125 liters. You do the algebra, and you get 0.01875 moles of C12H22 and O11. So now that you know the moles, you want to see how many grams there is, so you know how many grams of sucrose you need to get. So using basic dimensional analysis, you can find the grams of the. Let me get my pen. Grams right there. Using the molar mass of C12H22 and O11. Right there. Wow, I messed that up. You guys get what I'm saying. Anyways. So Joe over here is going to go through the steps as to how to prepare this.
Alright, to start with, you've got to get a 125 milliliter volumetric flask because that's how much solution you want to prepare. And then you want to add 6.41 grams of C12H22O11 because you just solved that, which is that. And then you want to fill the flask halfway with distilled water, because if you fill it all the way, that would produce bad things if it made a reaction. And then you swirl it until it's dissolved, and then you add distilled water right to the fill line, and then pipette to the fill line. That way it's more accurate and it's easier. And then you cap the volumetric flask and invert it. So that's that. Yeah, so those are the steps that I just posted.